Maybe.
It's on low power, so
yeah, it's on real low.
Yeah. Awesome.
You know how it is. I've been working all day.
Oh, I understand.
It takes forever to get the rat out of my car. I got a weld pump on it. Get ready. Yeah. You're gonna hear it. There's a weld pump underneath, in between underneath the box.
Oh, there is? Okay.
Yeah, I gotta take it out, man. Re-weld it. It's not. Thanks, I appreciate it. Yeah, it's for my mom. I just lost her. Yeah. That's my baby, man.
This is awesome. You have an upgraded alternator?
Oh yeah, 300 amp. I got the big 3.
Okay.
You can't see the alt. You can see.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
All right.
I like your doors too. Want me to shut this?
Yeah, you can shut it. Good. You want to get in? You can.
Yes, sir.
It's not like theirs, man.
Oh, you're good. What's your name and full rundown real quick for the equipment?
I'm Cam, and I have 6 Savard high Qs and 6 Skar amps. They're only, I'm underpowered. They're 1500s. Those are 1500 watt RMS. I could have an amp for sub.
Yeah.
But and I got the 300 amp alternator, big 3, all audio Legion, pretty much mids and highs, all Neos.
Awesome. And what made you do the speakers above the box? Because that's the first time I've seen something like that. That's a good idea.
Because truthfully, I had nowhere else to put them for right now.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I did that.
It's a genius idea. People are gonna like that. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, I'd like to hear it, man.
Okay, I got 2 things if you don't mind.
Okay.
That here.
Sure.
What's that?
Wow, you got speakers. You got
Yeah,
sound quality too.
I got 24 total. Here, I'll do this first one right now.
Okay. Awesome. Have you metered it?
No.
No?
I'm gonna do it today. He's got a meter back there.
All right.
I think it's probably about 142, maybe.
142?
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe.
It's on low power, so
Yeah, it's on real low.
Yeah.
It's the shit.
I want you guys to hear. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This ain't bad. Yeah.
You see these two? Awesome.
Yeah, I'm old school,
Okay.
man.
Nothing wrong with that?
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Yep. I'm old school.
Okay. Now your voltage isn't liking it, but
No, I need to go look at these scores. Really, they
You're probably doing mid 40s.
Yeah,
I'd say 143, 144.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you are old school. You got CDs. What the
Yeah.
hell's that?
Yeah, I know, right?
Where's your 8-track player?
I know. Yep.
I've actually heard CDs can have a better quality
Yeah, they
sound than Bluetooth.
You should
and
hear
USB.
that Creed in here, man.
Oh yeah, just
oh
music.
my
Yeah.
God. Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Set them free and let them fly tonight. Burn it down and get them high tonight. Don't wanna say don't wanna play with fire, fire. So me play with fire, fire. So we take them higher, higher. Tell the people if they wanna fly tonight. Burn it down and get them high tonight. Don't wanna say don't wanna play with fire, fire. So we play with fire, fire. So we take them higher, higher. Now fear the fire, people. Like ice balls. Me at the fast. Still keep this fire alive. Oh.
Dude, that's screaming.
I told you the mids and highs are loud.
Wow. Yeah, already hurting. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Awesome.
Take a
Nice to
look.
meet you.
Yeah.
Thanks
Yep.
for watching too.
Yeah.
Woo, that
Oh,
was
yeah, you know
that
it.
sounded good, dude.
I love you, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Wow. So what is the box tuned to? I didn't see that part.
It's to tell you actually, I think it loves like 35, 36 hertz. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright.
I can go to 26, and that's when the whole car column,
Yeah,
it
that's
loves
right.
it there too.
Okay.
Get back window if you want.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.